Stockholm, one question. How many of you guys are looking forward to see Darude later on? Okay. Normally, you don't play another guy's track before he's supposed to go on stage. But as a sign of deep respect, a tribute to one of the greatest in dance music of all times, I made a deal with Darude. I promised him that I would only play 1 minute of it. Just to see if you guys are ready for the real deal later on today. So, he's sitting over there somewhere waiting to come out here. So, I'm just gonna ask you one more time. Stockholm, are you ready for Darude later? This is my remix of a classic.